Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Saint Faustina Kowalska, the humble servant chosen by God to reveal the infinite mercy of Christ, is a beacon of hope for all souls. Through her obedience, suffering, and unshakable trust in the Lord, the message of divine mercy continues to touch millions of hearts around the world. Let us lift our hearts in faith and call upon her powerful intercession. Powerful prayer to Saint Faustina Kowalska, Apostle of Divine Mercy. O Saint Faustina, chosen by the Lord to be the secretary and apostle of His divine mercy. You who opened your heart fully to Jesus and received His words of compassion and light. We come before you with confidence, seeking your powerful intercession. You who knew the depth of human suffering and the greatness of God's forgiveness. Teach us to trust in His mercy as you did. To surrender our fears, pains, and sins into the heart of Jesus. And to proclaim with all our being, Jesus, I trust in you. Saint Faustina, radiant witness of love and purity. Intercede for us before the throne of God. Obtain for us the grace to recognize His hand in every trial. The courage to accept His holy will. And the burning zeal to spread the message of mercy. To every soul we meet. You who saw the risen Christ shining with rays of mercy. Pray that those rays may touch our hearts. Heal our wounds, and wash away all darkness from our lives. May the ocean of divine mercy cover our families, our nations, and the whole world. Saint Faustina, humble daughter of Poland and beloved of Jesus. Be our guide in holiness, our refuge in sorrow, and our example in faith. Help us to live with mercy, to forgive without measure, and to love with the heart of Christ. Through your intercession, may the world come to trust in the divine mercy. And may every soul proclaim forever. Jesus, I trust in you. Amen. Short daily invocation to Saint Faustina Kowalska. Saint Faustina, Apostle of Divine Mercy. Guide my heart to trust in Jesus completely. Help me to live with mercy. To forgive as He forgives. And to love with His sacred heart. Through your prayers. May I always say with faith and peace. Jesus, I trust in you. Amen. May the merciful Jesus, through the prayers of Saint Faustina Kowalska, fill your heart with peace, healing, and grace. May His divine mercy shine upon you and upon all the world. Now and forever. Amen. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.